Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to update Subway Surfers app on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you have a chance to do so? If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments and I will be sure to answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. And the first thing you need to do. We go to the Apple Store, write search box Subway Surfers, open this application. And if you have here will be written update. This means that you need to update it to the latest version. And if it says open, it already means that your version is updated to the latest version. So you can click either open or update, and either update, or just start playing. The second way is you can also go to settings. Open the general tab. Open iPhone storage. Find Subway Surfers, and click unload app. That clears the cache. Memory. But most importantly, we'll still have the documents and data. We'll just unload it and re-download it, and update it to the latest version that's available on the iPad or iPhone. Let me know if my solution helped you. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like, comment. Share it with your friends. Goodbye.